start recording nih. Okay, let's start. Okay, today I just want to show you what is the database. Okay, in this uh, in this class we use MS SQL lah. There are many database out there, MySQL, Oracle, DBase, Firebird, okay, banyak lagi, okay. But most if you want to use free, you can use MySQL, MSSQL, Express, all is free lah. But it's limited to the database size. If you want to have more feature, more advanced, then you have to pay lah, buy the license. Okay, even though the MySQL also lah. Okay, okay, because why? Initial your system use maybe little feature lah, database lah. When your system come to very complicated okay, then you need to expand your database, make it more secure or more reliable, speed up and so on. Then you need to buy a license. Okay, you need to buy a license. Okay, today I will show you where you can download the MS SQL. Okay, there are many versions of MS SQL lah. Okay, MS SQL download. Okay, now the latest one is 2019. Okay, 2019. Okay, 2019. Okay, 2019 Microsoft. You can download the Express edition. Express edition is free. It's free. Okay, it's free. It's free. Of course, because of free, they only allow you to use some feature lah. It's not fully features. Okay. Okay, you can download what I call MSSQL Express edition. Ada Express edition kah? MSSQL Express. So it's free lah. Edition. Okay, go download. This is just for beginning lah. But once your system become bigger and bigger, then you need a more stable, scalable database lah, server. Okay, because when your system come to bigger, you need to have you can have cluster lah, cluster server to speed up your processing so that you can handle more and more user lah, connect to the database. Okay, this is the challenge lah. Okay. Okay, now we continue. Okay, the concept is database is not very complicated lah. Okay, let's say here I show you the Excel lah. Show you the Excel. We try to map the data from Excel to a database. Okay, okay, everything is from a data sheet lah. Okay, so let's say you have, okay, let's say your company want you to design a system to store something. Okay, let's say you get the data information is look like this lah. For example, name. Okay, they have a few column, name, birth day. Okay, apa lagi? Group name. Okay, okay, apa lagi? Group name, okay, country, for example, country of origin lah, where you from lah. Okay, apa lagi? Name, we can have insert column, right, left, right, left, left, left. Ah, yeah. Okay, metric, for example. Okay, metric. Okay, metric. Okay, so you put, let's say you have the design look like this. So you can see, so let's say you have BK1001, for example. Name is Ali. Birthday is apa? 2010. Date first 12, for example. Group. What's group? You can put a group name lah. Or we don't want to have a group name. You put a country lah. Okay, it's okay. Okay, you put something meaningful lah. Country. We can put state. Country is the same. You put state. Okay, Sabah. Okay, Malaysia. Okay. So this is database design. So we have another student metric 2. We put Mohammed. Mohammed. Okay. Okay, we put maybe 13/6/2010. Okay, Sabah also maybe Terengganu, Johor, Malaysia. Okay, so we can have many. Okay, many, let's say 3, this 4, 5, 6. Okay, see, we can put a name. John. Apa lagi? John. On. Apa lagi? COVID. Okay, apa lagi? Mask. Okay, so you can put a birthday. Let's say 2011, 2009, and so on. Okay, you can put, let's say Penang. You put to Penang, Kuala Lumpur, KL. Okay, Kuala Lumpur. Apa lagi? Melaka. Okay. So it's look like this lah. So now we want to transform this table. We want to transport this table to a database. So because you see here, you can see the repeated data. Malaysia. Okay. Here you see repeated data. Penang. Okay, Johor. This is repeated data lah. Okay. So here it won't repeat lah. But still also no repeat. Even though the repeat also is not it's okay, because maybe some people, okay, some 2 or more, okay, having a same birth date. Okay, birth date. Okay, birth date. Okay, so metric of course is a unique key. So this is a key. Name cannot be key. Some people can have some can have same name, so we assume this is can repeat lah, but it won't come to one table. So here we create a table. Here this one we create a table, one table. This is another table. This is another table. Okay, so this is another table. So first we create a table first, country table. Okay, we open the SQL, we open the SQL database. Okay, we connect to the local database. Okay, this is a local database. So from here I get a new database. New database. What is name? What is the name? Okay, testing DB. Okay, testing DB. Make sure you see the increment size and so on. You need to control it. Okay, make sure unlimited and so on. Okay, you okay. Once you okay, now the database is ready. Okay, to access this database, just click this one. New query. New query is the a page to extract the data lah in a formatted display lah. Okay, so here you see now the query is in the test DB currently, but inside the DB the table number is empty now because this is the new TB test DB, so it's empty. So we create a new table. Okay, we create a new table for country. Okay, we do a new table for country. We new table. Okay, of course every record it has a key. Okay, we put a key. Let's say we put XID. It's a key. Okay, it's a key. Each record it has a key. We put, okay, this is a standard lah. Okay, country. So country we put is a string. So we put a name, varchar, let's say 100 character. Okay, we put not now. Okay, to make it key, we go to choose set primary key. It's a main key for a table. Okay, main key. Okay, so when we save it, yes, then we put a name. T is a means table lah. T country. Okay, why we not using this one? Okay, when you mix up with multiple system in the database, if you're just using this kind of method, character naming, okay, it would mix out all the table lah. Even though in your system, okay, if your system has many mix up system. Okay, for example, I put a T first. For example, in the system, okay. So when the Y is apa na? How to say? Okay. Let's say we go to ICT-based system. Inside the database is shared by 3 systems. It's shared by 3 systems. So C, start from C is for system apa? Is for system OBE. Okay. Y is for system FIP. L is for system, okay, is for system LI, okay, for example. So with the prefix character, we can okay, group it the table lah, listing lah, according to the systems. Okay. Faham? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question?
Not yet. Not
Not yet,
yet.
not yet. Okay. So now we created a database. T continue. So of course you see integer. This is we need to have a running number. Okay, we need to have a running number. We can put auto generate number. Mana tu auto generate number? Auto. Okay, never mind lah. Okay, but for my my practice, I like to use integer lah, and I use a table to keep all the numbers, all the increment index numbers. Okay, so I don't want to use auto, because why? When you move the data from one table to another table, that mean then you may have a problem lah. Okay, because the index is auto generated. Okay, it would crash your ID. Okay, so let's say we create a table like this. Okay, now the table name is T country. Okay, now we try to list the table from T country. We try to list the content. Okay, the content country. Okay, nampak? Country. Ya kah? Country kah? T country. Correct lah, kan? Kenapa tak boleh? Select. Oh, select. Okay. There's no data inside. Okay, you can see the column is two. One is index. One is ID. Another one is. So we try to insert new data into the table. Okay, T country values followed by the column sequence. Let's say the first column is ID, kan? So we put 1. The second column is a string. Okay, country. So we put Malaysia. Malaysia. Okay, we try to insert. Okay, of course we can insert more. Indonesia. Indonesia. Okay, we can insert more. Singapore. China. India. So you put 3, 4, 5. Okay, we try to execute. Okay, then I try to list the country. You see, it shows country, Malaysia, and so on. Okay, any question? No question? Faham? Faham?
Okay.
Simple kan? Simple kan? Faham kan?
Yes, sir.
This is the way you design the table. Okay, this is the way you try to design the table to meet the data lah. Okay, layout in the Excel, for example. Okay, so when the customer give you this one, the the information, then from this information you can extract it and then to form a multiple table to store all this data. Okay. When you see this one, then you can make it several tables to store the data. Okay. Next, we want to choose the stat. Okay, stat. Okay. Stat. Now we create a table for stat. You see, only Sabah, Malaysia. Let's say we put another one from Jakarta, China, Indonesia. Okay, you see, this Sabah, Johor, or Penang, all is linked to Malaysia. Jakarta is linked to Indonesia. That means we need to have a foreign key stat to link the stat to country. Okay, so we create a table, a new table. We create a new table called stat. So remember, each table, it has a key, system key. Okay, we put this one integer as a key, and also the name. Okay, we can put as a unique key. Okay, this is the what stat name. Okay, stat name. We put and we char, let's say 100. Okay, so we want to link this table to country. So we choose the key from the country. So we how to name it, the foreign key from the country. We put T. The first prefix is the table, country, and then the column that the column that we link is XID. Okay, XID. Okay, from this one XID, or we can put this one this like this. It's more clear. Okay, ID is also in integer. Okay, when you do this one, this is a foreign key. You need to make it indexing. Okay, you need to make it index. Why? It can improve the performance. It can improve the performance. So we add another key. The first is the first primary key is the XID. Okay, we can add in the second one. Second one we choose T country as a foreign key. Okay, from country table lah. Okay, we make it index. Okay, let's say okay, make index. Okay, then we save it. We put a name stat. Okay, any question? Any question? Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay no question Ni pun keluar exam nanti Ni pun keluar exam. Okay, pay attention. Okay, so we close it. Okay, now we can see. Let's say we select from T stat. Okay, we highlight it, we execute. You see nothing here. Okay, so we try to insert new data into the stat, follows by the column sequence. Okay, first we put a name Sabah. So just now, okay, for Sabah, okay, which list, you see Sabah, okay. We refresh this one. You can see the stat Sabah. The name is Sabah, and then it linked to which one? It linked to Malaysia. Okay, from here, link to Malaysia. Put one, tutup. Okay, of course we need to have many columns and many row. Okay, we choose one. Sabah, Johor, 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 Johor. Also link to also link to Malaysia, but we give it index 2, and then Penang, we give it to index 3. It also linked to the Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, we also link to the Malaysia. We give index 4 in XID 4. Melaka, the ID is also the foreign key is the country is 1. You give 5. You can see 6. So kita mau link dengan Jakarta. But it's not linked to Malaysia, it's linked to Indonesia. Indonesia is 2. Okay. Okay, Indonesia is 2. So we try to execute it. Ta-da! Inserted data. Then we try to list the stat. You see, it's become look like this. Okay. Okay. Next we try to design another table. We call it apa? Student. Okay. We call it student. Okay. We create a new table. We give it an index ID also, metric, okay, and varchar 30 character, apa lagi, student name, 100. Okay, student name, birth date. Okay, birth date. That okay, you use that time. Birthday is that time. Okay, then we link to this stat. We link to this stat. Okay, we don't need to link the student table. Don't need to link to country because we link to this state, then the state can link to country. Okay. Okay, so we put a link foreign key stat. We use a foreign key stat. Okay, stat, the keys from stat xid. Okay, integer. Okay, so here we need to do some indexing. Okay, this is a primary key. Okay, this is also a metric because it's a unique. It's also a key. We can add another key, second key. We select metric. Okay, we click this one. It's unique. Okay, so it's a key lah. Second key. Okay, and then we put a new index for stat foreign key. Okay. Okay. Then we save it. We give a name student. Done. Okay. 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 So now we want to insert 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 students. Okay, you want to insert 7 students. Okay. So here we insert 7 students. We try to list the student first, see what happened. Student. We tengok, ayah, tak ada apa-apa. So we try to insert new student, followed by the column sequence. Okay, ID, we put a 1, we put a metric. Metric apa? Metric ialah 001. We give a name. We give a name Ali. We give a birth. Okay, birth because it's the date time, the format must be year month day. Okay, kita perlu change the format become year month day. Okay, year month day means year Monday. Okay, this is linked to what? Linked to which state? We have state Sabah. Okay, from state Sabah. So the index is 1. Okay, next we have 7 students. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we create 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here also we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, of course we have Muhammad. Pening kepala saya. Okay. 2010 613 okay. John 613 also. John 613. Ong 613 also. 613 but year 11. 613 but year 11. 613 year 11. 613. So COVID 613 year 9. 613 year 13 year 9. Kenapa ada dua nama kan? This is different name lah. Apa kita kasih mah bulan. Okay. Moon. Apa aja 613 or so. Why so many 613? Then we put March 613 or so. 613. Okay, next is what? This is Johor. Ali is live in Johor. Johor is 2. Ali ke Ahmad is 2. John and Ong is Penang. John and Ong is Penang. John and Ong is Penang. COVID is Kuala Lumpur. COVID is Kuala Lumpur. COVID is Kuala Lumpur. Melaka Melaka Jakarta. Okay, Melaka Jakarta. Okay, let's jalan. Okay, we run it. Insert. Success. Okay. So now we go to new tab. We go to new tab. Stat. Okay. Now we try to execute all the query. You see? Okay, this is the student. This is the stat. This is the country. Okay. So how to link? Let's say now I want to list select from student. T student, because we query mix with several table, then we need to rename the table name. A means represent the table student. To list the content, we put star at star. A star means is all the data, all the column. Okay, let's say if you want to list metric only, metric, so we will list metric. Metric. List metric. Okay. How many columns we want to list? Student. We want to list metric. We want to list student name. We want to list a birthday. birth date. Okay, we want to list stat tak perlu. Okay, kita keluar. Dan okay, so nampak. Now we want to make the list is look like this. Okay, it's look like this. Okay, kita kasih ini table. Ini this is another. Okay, we want to look like this. Okay, so here you see. Now I want to list the stat. Okay, I mix the stat with the in the list. Stat B, where A T stat T stat X ID equal to B X ID. So this is a foreign key link. Okay, when did this happen? Then I can list B is B represent the stat. So I want to list the stat name. So it will look like this. B stat name. Okay. So kita try. Okay, keluar sudah. You see? Nampak? Okay. Next, I want to show the country. Macam mana? I create another link. Ini terlalu panjang. Okay. I add another table called T country. C represent the country. Next, how I link the country and the stat. So stat B foreign key, country, X ID equal to C. C is from country. Yeah, C represent the T country. So C X ID. One this link means here I can list the country name. Country. C dot country. Okay. Make jalan. Nampak metric, name, birth date, stat, and country. It's look like this. Okay, it's look like this. Okay. Let's say you see the name here is not nice. Actually, can change the name as name, but you see this name is reserved word, so be careful. Okay, it's a reserved word. MS birth date. Ya kah? Okay. Try to run. Nampak? Same as in the table. Any question? Oh, nampak? Itu birth date tak cantik lagi. Okay. We can convert the birth date to a format. For example, birth date, we want to make it a good format. Okay. We try to find MS SQL convert that. Okay, this is a function we can find. Okay, you see if I put the format country code, it will display in formula. Okay, we put using 107. Okay, put 107. Cantik. Any question?
So far, no, sir.
A bit too much info, sir.
Huh? Too much info? You cannot catch up?
Can.
Can. Any more? You have to on your supercomputer. Okay. Supercomputer. Okay. Any question lagi? Ini keluar di exam nanti ya. Saya suka keluar di exam saja.
Which part yang keluar di exam?
Ya, ini SQL nih. Ini penting nih.
This the code kah?
I will give you a table, and then I give you the maybe the example. It look like this. I ask you to create a table and then show it. What is the? You have to show me the database structure and so on, and then show me lah, and then make it this one. Okay. Boleh kah? So you play around this one. So if you want to do apps or what involving database, then you cannot skip all this info lah. Okay. Any question?
No, doctor, just need to practice.
Need to practice, huh? Okay, you install the MS SQL, huh?